Yo, good morning, This is Josh over here at American AF Dumpster Rentals in Dallas. I'm here fueling up the truck, getting some DEF fluid, and we are heading out. I've got my daughter with me, Alexis, to go do a little bit of work. Is she up there? There she is. Say hi. There you go. Yeah, so we are headed to go do some work today. Same as every day, really, but kind of a busy one today. We've got 3 or 4 deliveries, a couple dumps, and then we got to head over to the horse barns and get those taken care of too. So it'll be a long day, and we're going to take you with us. right, so we've got a 20 yard on the back. We swapped out a 25 yard, brought it back to the yard here, and then took a 15 yard already. Couldn't record that one because the customer was all over us. Came back here, picked up a 20 yard, heading to drop off the 20 now, and then we got to come back again, pick up another 20 yard, so we can drop it off on the way home in Frost, which is kind of far, but didn't want to turn away business, right?
Right.
Where you at? You're not even in here. Can't even turn anymore. So, getting some work done today. Today's a good day. Easy money?
Easy money.
Easy money. So grabbing a dumpster out of the yard is pretty easy to do. I mean, when it's on grass or when it's on gravel, with these hook lifts, you can literally hook onto a dumpster and just leave the truck in neutral. And there's plenty of times where I don't even have to roll the back wheels of the dumpster. I literally just hook onto the dumpster and let the truck roll under it. It just depends if there's enough weight on there or roll out from under it. So, all right, so time out. Got an important announcement for you guys. As of this video, in the description below is going to be a link to a resources page on my website. It is americanafdumpsters.com/YouTube. And on that resources page will be all of my links and sponsors of this channel. Yes, we have 2 awesome sponsors that have come on board with us, and we're looking for more, and we're getting more actually. But currently have 2 sponsors that have already committed to sponsoring this channel. One of them being the awesome, the great DRS Dumpster Rental System software. And there's a link on there. If you don't have DRS, I'm telling you now, you're in the ice ages. And the second sponsor is going to be Keystone. They are also on there. Links to their website or how to contact them is on there. There's insurance information, insurance resources. There's also a big one. I have finally found a Google AdWords guy who is taking care of my Google AdWords and taking this business to the next level. And his contact information is on there as well. You can go on there, reach out to him, schedule a one-on-one, and hopefully he can set you up with a good Google Ads account. Because honestly, we don't have time to do that. I mean, we have to work on our business, not in our business. even driving alone right now is working in the business, and I have to eventually get out of it. But spending time on my AdWords account, numerous hours, countless hours, trying to get that all taken care of, I'd rather just have this guy do it for me. And he has gotten so good that I am recommending him to anybody who wants to try him out. It's not a contract, it's a month to month, so give him a shot. Let me know what you think. But all the resources, all my Amazon links, a one-on-one consultation link is also on the website. If you want to schedule a one-on-one with me, you are more than welcome to do so. Please do not call my numbers and try to talk to me, because I don't answer the phones anymore. But even if I did, it's probably best that you don't call the office. Don't call my business line. If you want to schedule a time, we can schedule something in through that link on our website. Again, it's americanafdumpsters.com/YouTube. Also has all my links on Amazon of anything that you can think of that I have. I want to add this new garment on there. I have been using this garment for probably just about a month now, and I absolutely love it. It is a trucker's garment style. I'll add the link on there as well. You can go over there and take a look at it. But make sure you visit our page sponsors. Without them, I probably wouldn't be here. And make sure you give us a like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and let's go and finish on with this video.